What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be telling you guys how to navigate the Mailchimp dashboard. For that the process is very simple and it's kind of a thing that the beginner would like to explore, but there's always a day for the first time. And what you have to do is to log in with your official account. The link will be in the description. Make sure you check it out so that you will directly land onto this dashboard. Once you're on this dashboard, you will see a bunch of tabs on the left-hand side. For example, the home, the create button, the campaigns, automations, forms, then comes the audience, analytics, website, content, integrations. Everything comes with their own perks and features. For example, for the home option, you will be staying on this page. You can add contacts, create an email from here, but if you want to dig deeper, then you will have to go to this second option, which is campaigns. You can create different sort of forms, landing pages, even you can set up the email campaigns and all that stuff over here. The detailed videos for how to do, landing pages, start an email campaign, or add a sign up form to your landing page is over here. Pretty much easy and simple. Then comes the automation. Here you can create the flows, and it's a bit limited to the free users. But if you are willing to pay, you can always explore it out. Then comes the forms option. If you have already embedded your forms and landing pages to in your website, you can always go ahead and check it out. So it shows a create a pop-up form. If you click on that, then you'll be able to, see how a pop-up form appears on a landing page. But that is a topic for another day. And then let's dive to the audience section. So here the audience, the contact list that you have already built it through sign up forms, or you already have it in your CVS files. So all of these things are over here. And then at the end, the analytics. If there's any, kind of a thing where you can see the performance of your email marketing, the landing pages, how your sign up form is doing, how many people are clicking your emails, what is the click through rate, what is the open rate, what is the, bounce back rate, all those stuff is over here. But for the, not for the beginner options, it comes with a paid plan. You can go to the audience option, you can go to the reports, then you can go to the conversion insights to see that what conversion rate was there, what was the all of the email campaign rate, and all the stuff if you have already connected a WooCommerce store with it. Otherwise, it won't show up. So this is what you guys can do in all this website. You can, start your own website, or you can create one with Wix. Then the content, the brand kit, all of those stuff, that the stuff that you have uploaded for the content, so that you don't have to back and forth upload it again and again to add into your landing pages of the website. And then comes the integration part. Here are the things that you can go and add third-party integration. For example, Canva, equity, scheduling, Google Leads, Meta Leads, the lead magnets, Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, all that stuff, and it comes in under the integration sector. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.